Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Neethling and I'm from Flour and Oil, where we create unique and authentic culinary experiences for everyone. We do this in 3 ways. Firstly, we create food experiences for you, where we create a pop-up kitchen in the comfort of your home or venue. We bring all the ingredients, so all you have to do is invite 12 of your friends and get cooking. You will learn how to make a 3-course Indian meal from start to scratch, so then you will be the experts. Secondly, we provide speaking engagements where I come along and help you motivate, activate, and encourage your family, team, or conference for the day. Included in this motivational talk is a demonstration of one of my personal favorite spices. So you will learn how to do it and be able to take home more than just a good talk. Thirdly, we have a range of incredible spices, all pre-mixed and ready for you to use at home. Recipes on the back, so that you can make the perfect curry every time. So come, join us, book your experience with us now at flourandoil.co.za, where we believe every interaction matters.